All right, dudes. So, since the last time I've done any of this shit for you guys, I had a weird little bridge I was working on. Actually, I had a fucking tree over there. Over there. I took apart. It's fucking right over here. But here's my bridge. Right? You guys didn't see that happening, did you? No, it's fucking made great. Look at all that. Fucking 4x4s in frame. Yeah. It's fucking cool. Got my little pond right there. Beaver dam. Some of this shit, that's where the waterfall is gonna go. And then this is where those things eat the food. And I'm gonna make it so you can set your camera right here and film the fucking birds, squirrels eating their bird squirrel food. Right? Pretty cool. Yeah, I'm selfish. Fucking everything I do is about me. It's all about me. If you're not, I'm not even listening to you right now talking because I'm just thinking about me anyway. What? You weren't talking about me. Yeah, never mind. I don't want to listen then. Get your turkey butts over here. That's the little thing that's going to get dug under. I don't even tell you guys. And you know who exactly I'm talking to. Go Niners.